You say hi.
Can I?
Yeah, you better.
Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. What are they called? What's the breed?
She's Fluffy French Bulldog.
Oh yeah, I keep seeing them on
Yeah.
Instagram and they're so cute.
Yeah.
How old are they?
3 months and 4 months.
3 months and 4 months. They're so cute. What are they called again?
Fluffy French Bulldogs. They're just Frenchies, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, you bet. Yeah, no, they're super rare. Just French Bulldogs. But with long hair. Yeah. Yeah.
Never seen a hairy. Look at that coat on
Yeah.
it. Is it a boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy.
You pet him.
Okay to pet?
Yeah, you pet
Okay,
him.
thank you. Oh, that's so soft, huh? How old?
About 3 months.
3 months? Adorable.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Thank you.
That is so cute.
Are they brothers?
No, they're not related. She's about 4 months. He's about 3 months.
Are they gonna get a little bit more?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's just like her.
Yeah, they're babies.
Why do they look fluffy?
Nothing else. It's just pale and
Yeah. Yeah.